once the course is completed, once we start working with real-time projects, right, these assignments help a lot for the individuals. My name is Sudhir Sibala. So I have 10 years of experience in IT. I started my career in 2011. So as a production support analyst. So when I was discussing with the Intel part member, right, the way they have answered my queries, I was really satisfied, and then I immediately decided to join the Intel part, for data science program.
Right. So how do you rate our Intel PAT services, or as per the content and also the live sessions that we are conducting?
See, my rating will be 10 out of 10. So once I joined the training, right, so everything will be well structured. While the instructor discussing about the details, right, if you have any queries, then and there they will resolve the issues.
The assignments and also the projects, hands-on experience that we try to provide for our learners, right? So did you get a chance to complete them, and was it useful? And you already have enough of experience to know the real world situation. So I think you would surely be complementing this feature that we provide. So what do you have to say about this?
Whatever the concept, they'll explain you with examples so that you can acquire more knowledge on those concepts. Even after course completion also, even if you want to attend interviews as well, these examples will help you a lot. While you attend interviews. So whenever a particular course is completed, immediately we are having assignments. So that will help us to understand the concept and to work on immediately. This assignment is it will be actually related to real-time environment. So basically, for example,
Absolutely.
how the real-time projects work, right? So basically, that same thing they'll reflect in our assignment. So that once the course is completed, once we start working with real-time projects, right, these assignments help a lot for the individuals.
In case in future, if you are having any concerns, we always have, initially also we have told you that the course access has been provided for lifetime, and the services is also for lifetime. So if in case in future, if you are having any concerns with respect to any of the technical concerns or generic ones, we are always here to help you out. Did you get in touch with any of the placement support team of ours for any of the opportunities so far?
Once my course is completed, instead of me asking for Intel part, they only came in touch with me from the start of this course, right? In which where he is, and once his course is completed, what requirements you have. So everything is well taken care by the Intel part support teams. So
I'm glad to see that you have received well guidance towards that. Was it efficient when the course that you have opted in for the fee that you have paid? So what do you say about it?
Whatever the pay you had, right, that is the best when compared to other institutions. Whatever you pay, right, we'll acquire more from Intel part support. Even I have recommended almost 4 to 5 people to join in data Intel part, and they have joined, they have taken the course, and they are very much satisfied with the Intel part.
That's really nice of you to see, sir. So yes, hopefully we would try to continue providing the same level of e-learning that we've been providing from years now, right? And we are very much glad to hear you say all this kind words towards us. Thank you so much once again, and hope we'll see you soon.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you, Intel.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.